Hey, Sean, welcome to the MFAA Victorian Forum Customer Advocacy segment. Thanks for coming on board.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, no problem. So just a couple of questions here today. I don't want to take too much of your time. Just in relation, obviously, to your experience with dealing with myself as a broker and also your own experience outside of utilizing my services. Really wanted to just get an idea about why you ended up choosing a broker to begin with.
For me, essentially, just a busy lifestyle. So essentially, it really needed to be something that would help me get the job done because I'm time poor. So having that ability, having someone out there that will go out for you and come back to you with an option was fantastic.
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, absolutely. I can definitely see how that would work in your favor. Being time poor and such, and having someone, manage that portfolio, definitely take that alleviation out of your day, and put that time back into yourself. So no, that's fantastic. So obviously, just in relation to your employment, you're a banker yourself, is that right?
That's correct, 10 years.
Wow. Okay. So obviously, being a banker, you have the opportunity of going directly with your lender or even any lender in that matter of fact. What made you choose a broker rather than going to the lender directly?
Look, obviously each bank has fantastic options as to what they can offer. But I guess for me, it was more about tailoring something that suited me specifically. So really with respect to that, the broker goes out, finds all the different options, instead of just 5 options, 3 or 5 options at one bank, they go and find 5 options at 5 banks. And so I've got 25 options to then for review and say, okay, this is really suits my niche needs.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we have a plethora, I guess, of finance options from a multitude of different lenders, and I guess that does give you that product comparison against those lenders. So yeah, definitely a lot of choice there, which is great. And well, obviously having that banking back end experience that you do have, and understanding how that back end is, and understanding how the third party broker channel is for yourself. How do those experiences compare with one another to you specifically?
Look, I guess specifically for me, it would be just the ability to not have to run through everything myself, having someone that's going out and getting everything and bringing it all through. Like obviously working in finance, the processes, everything that's
Yeah.
going on, but it's nice when you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to follow up and you've got someone in your corner that's going out and organizing it all and managing it all for you.
Yeah, look, that's obviously a proposition service that I offer, and giving that portfolio management to my clients and customers, as well as yourself, of course. Look, fantastic. I won't take too much longer. One last question there, Sean, if that's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what would you like to see more come out of the broker or third party channel, specifically to your own finance journey and needs themselves? What would you say would be something that you'd like to see more of?
Look, obviously in a post-COVID world, we need to have a lot more automation. Just being pragmatic about having things online. Being able to access different things going on through systems, everything cloud-based and online,
Yeah.
interactive. That would be fantastic. Uploading everything, putting it all through. That's really what I want to see more of.
Absolutely. So yeah, automation's obviously come a long way, even during COVID, the importance of having that, and I guess that digital element, every bank is jumping on ship with that one, and it is very necessary pre, during, and post COVID, I guess. And look, I think banks are making efforts with that. Broker third party channel is definitely pushed heavily in relation to this. So just to keep everyone safe and I guess compliant, and as well as efficient at the end of the day, and just giving that customer service back, and putting that time back into your day, of course. So thank you very much for that, Sean. I really appreciate your time. Would love to, have you on here again, I guess, or, just see how your experience is in the next year or so. But look forward to working with you in the future.
Fantastic. Thank you, Chris. Take care, mate.